Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action here pretty straightforward. So if you were to say, Clay, look, summarize the price action on this one, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Pump and dump, just being said, on the price action itself, I don't know anything about the company. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So where did all this start? Well, in my mind, it started when it broke outside of this range that had been trapped down below for quite a while. And I'm going to call this range right here basically right around $2.80, give or take a few cents. But essentially, that is where the price struggled to get up above. So in trading jargon, that was the quote-unquote breakout point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we just established, the price started right there on the breakout and went all the way up there. I'm thinking we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same day, I'm once again assuming we can all agree, right, yeah, this did occur in a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, this is where the thin ice point comes into play, because to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen. The price comes down here, walks along this thin ice point at 280, and then starts to work its way back upwards. And in the event that did happen, like I said, to be fair to the bulls, that would imply that a low's right there. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps showing bullish progress in the upwards direction. So yeah, you got to be fair. 280, thin ice point. However, if the price comes down here, walks on that thin ice point, breaks below it, and then continues to sink to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, with true strength, are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make progress forward. And the quote-unquote make progress forward point on this chart sits there at $2.80, aka that thin ice point. So yeah, nice move today that didn't last very long. It's looking like this one's a pump and dump, but yeah, the bulls still have a chance, but they got to stay above that thin ice point. So we'll see if they can do that or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.